Morning, my stars. So today once again we are going to read phonic sound E sound with the combination of NT. Ent. Okay, so now first word is T plus ENT. Tent. Tent is kind of a portable shelter and we can carry it for going outside. C plus ENT. ENT, cent. Okay, cent. Cent means penny, paisa. R plus ENT, rent. Rent means क्या होता है? किराया. Okay, if we are living in somebody else's place, somebody else's home, we have to give some amount to them, and that amount is called rent. Okay. W plus ENT. The sound of W is V. Ent. Went. Went means गया. Okay. That I went to Jaipur. मैं जयपुर गया. SP plus ENT. Spent. Spent means खर्च करना. So कई बार होता है ना, sometimes it happens that our mother asks us that how much money you have spent. आपने कितना पैसा खर्च किया. How much money you have spent. Spent means खर्च करना. S plus ENT. Sent. Sent means भेजना. कोई चीज़ आपने भेजी है. That is called sent. That I have sent sweets to Arav. मैंने मिठाइयाँ भेजी हैं किसको? टू हूम? यस, आरब गर्ग को. ओके, सो आई हैव सेंट फ्यू स्वीट्स टू आरब. तो सेंट मीन्स भेजना. सो आई होप you have understood. If not, then see this video twice and thrice and try to read loudly and then write. Okay, thank you so much.